As the launch of the Samsung Galaxy S25 draws closer, and we're hearing that January 22, 2025 might be the big day, more and more juicy rumors are starting to trickle in about the specs, pricing, and even the potential on-sale date. So, if you're eagerly waiting for the latest flagship from Samsung, you'll want to keep watching the full video. According to a fresh report coming out of Korea, it looks like Samsung might actually release the Galaxy S25 series a little later than expected, on February 7, 2025. While the official unveiling is rumored to happen on January 22, don't get too excited about getting your hands on them immediately. The actual release date seems to be set for February 7, which is just a bit more than 2 weeks later. This release pattern follows what we've seen in previous years, like how the Galaxy S24 was revealed on January 17, but didn't hit the shelves until January 31. So, what can we expect in terms of availability? Well, as per the latest reports, Samsung will kick off pre-orders for the Galaxy S25 series shortly after the announcement, and they'll also offer reservations, which has become a staple of their recent launches. If you've been eyeing a new Samsung phone, the reservation process could be your chance to snag a nice discount, some extra trade-in value, or maybe even a credit for accessories when you place your order early. According to the leaked info, pre-orders will be open until Monday, February 3, and then the phones will finally be available in stores on Friday, February 7. Keep in mind, these dates are for Korea. Other regions might differ slightly. In terms of specs, we've already heard some exciting details. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to offer up to 16 gigs of RAM, but only on the 512 gig storage variant. That's perfect if you're someone who needs a ton of storage and power. And if you're a fan of top-tier performance, Samsung is likely sticking with the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which promises lightning-fast speeds. The Galaxy S25 will ship with One UI 7, Samsung's custom Android skin, right out of the box, so you can expect a smooth, feature-packed experience. There's also the long-rumored Galaxy S25 Slim that's set to be revealed at Samsung's January event. While we don't know exactly how much thinner this version will be, it's exciting to see Samsung continuing to push the envelope on design. However, there's one thing that's causing a bit of concern: price. The report mentions that Samsung is worried about price resistance, as the costs of building the Galaxy S25 series have increased. This could mean that the new phones could be priced higher than previous models, and we're all waiting to see how that will play out. So, with all these rumors floating around, what are your expectations for the Galaxy S25 lineup? Are you hoping for a bigger battery, better cameras, or perhaps a more affordable price tag? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care.